Hey guys, so I had to make this video. I know I'm not in the workshop at the moment, just in my office. I had to split video 3 because it got too long. So this is going to be the start of video 3. And then, so yeah, thanks for watching this. And then you'll see halfway through it's going to stop. I know it's sort of like at a random spot, but it's just there so that it can get it on YouTube. So please watch and then like and subscribe, please. That'd be really good if you could. I didn't realize myself until I started doing my own videos how important that like and subscribe is. So if you would do that, that'd be really good. Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3. Now this video I'm going to do a little bit different. Last one, I'm sorry, I don't think it was very good. I know I didn't record enough. I set the cameras up like statically, and then I thought they would I'd be able to edit pieces out of them. It didn't really work. It covered a lot of stuff up. Hopefully I fixed it up with the videos that I did afterwards. But anyway, this video is going to be a lot more camera work on the jobs while I'm doing it, on my hat sort of thing, with the GoPro and that sort of thing. So yeah, so thanks for being here again, and we'll carry on with the next steps of the camp. But I've got something pretty interesting actually. You may have noticed at the end of the last video I said that I had to buy some more wood and I need to dry it. Well, and I said I'd taken a couple of pieces to a place that's got somebody I know has got a dryer for wood, and I had this wood in the dryer for like maybe 12 or 13 hours, and I cannot get any moisture in it. It looks to me like it's completely dried out. So I'm going to compare it to the same batch of wood that I bought that I've just been drying under the fan to the ones that I've got over here. So I'm just going to compare the two wood, the wood that I had in the dryer, which is that over there, and that was really just like a real basic dryer, to some of the wood, the other couple of pieces. So I was going to make sure the machine's working, because when I checked it on there, yeah, that's 14%, but that's showing that's reasonably dry. It's still usable because it's green there. I mean, let's have a look at another one of them. That's showing orange, 17%. That's another piece. Well, let's go to this piece here. Look at this. This is what I had in the dryer. There's absolutely nothing. I mean, I suppose that's what you expect if you put it into a dryer, but I didn't expect it to work that well. It's not even picking anything up, but it's definitely working. Well, the other thing as well, you know, now that I'm a celebrity on YouTube with my 2 followers and I think I've got like 12 views so far. A couple of friends who have seen it said I need to not wear like the oldest clothes I've got. So being famous, I'm gonna have to, you know, put on some decent clothes, not shit that's falling apart and odd socks and things like that. So, you know. So because I've got a couple of dry panels now, of these palings over here, I'm gonna put that piece on for there. I want that piece on there because if I can get that stuck on there and glued and the dowels in there, then it'll be dry for the weekend, because now Wednesday. So this is so neat and dry, man. This is really good. You can actually see it. It feels dry to the touch. Oh, all the way around. It's got a hole in the end there from where I put it in the oven. Let's turn it around. So I'll measure it to length. We'll get it down. That'll do. Bloody big battery in the drill this time. Last time I had the small battery in there, it kept stopping. It's not powerful enough. So these little things here are pretty cool for lining up dowels and that. On the garage now. So these little things here, they're for lining up dowels. So you drill a hole and then you pop it into the hole that you've drilled. and you push it up against the other piece of wood up against it, and it puts pricks a little hole in there. So then you drill that side, and then you can get your dowel rod, your dowels in there, get across. I'll show you now. So I'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4 dowels there. All right. So now, all I do is take these. Let me put some glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. Where to put my damn glasses now? Oh, I spent half the video looking. Oh, they're in my pocket. Right. So now, take these here, that into there, that into there, that into there, that into there, like that. Right, put it down gently so they don't fall out. One's fallen out. Sometimes the hole's a bit tighter, but oh goodness me. Make sure it's nicely up against the end. Get my finger out. Oh. Okay, so I was saying how well these work. Maybe I lied, did I? Maybe I lied. So you get them like that, and it actually knocks, like punches a little hole into it. And if you keep the, I know it's pretty rough on this wood here, but on the edge to see it. But if you have those marked, yeah, you can sort of like see where they are. So there's one of them. One. I shouldn't be. One's a little bit low over there. Nope. 2. Where's this one? Ah, there we go. 3. This one is there. You can see the little mark there? Where it's pushed into it. And get some 10mm dowel, which I've got here. And cut some little dowels. So, let's have a quick look at that. So yeah, that'll do. All those. Cool. Give them a little sand so they slip in easier. give us enough done to dry till tomorrow night, and then I'll flip it up and do a little bit of sealing on the bottom and down the edges, and then it doesn't mean we can carry on the weekend with some stuff. So there we go, that's it for tonight. It's Wednesday night and I'm in my whip clothes, so not very clever out of, but anyway, I'll pull through. Cheers, see you tomorrow.
This is bigger than Polished Turd, isn't it?
I know. No, it's smaller than Polished Turd. By the way, Polished Turd is the other one. And remember I said that my daughter helped me build it with me? That's my daughter there. Okay, so this is the one, this is Becca, she helped me build it. So Polished Turd is what we call the
brown one.
The brown. the brown shed trailer. Okay. Hey guys, so had that dry from last night, putting that plank on. So I think tonight I might just put the last of the fixed planks on for the bed. That's the bottom of it now, the bottom of the camper or the frame. So I'm going to put that one. Those ones I left clamped on last night. Sorry, those ones I left clamp on last night. Right, so let's get these clamps off of here, and then we'll send this third one in. Sort of thinking maybe. Better, yes. I'll do it. Same again really on this one. Just doing it from a slightly different angle. Cut that off. So I can find them a little easier, the little indentations. Not that one. Because if you put it on, if you put the glue into the holes, it stops the dowel from going in. So I actually put the glue onto the little dowel pin that I've made, and then sort of twisted it. Oh, see, that's okay, a little bit like that, that's fine. But if you put it in, so I sort of do this, put it on there like that, Make sure you got enough of it on, of course. But then I do that so it goes in nicely. Again, the same bit of that. Because if you squirt it down the hole, when you're pushing the down pin and it doesn't want to go in, the glue actually fills up at the bottom and it stops it from, especially if the holes, I mean these holes are not super tight, but if they're a little bit tight, the glue won't actually come up the sides. So let's do this like that. That's a bit of that done. Let's put some glue on here. We sort of know where we're going to be going to, around about there. That's fine, a bit up there, like that. And down here, there. Like that, like there. That's going to get it, doesn't it? There's a bit much on there, that's all right. There we go. In there, like that. Like so. Sweet like a lemon. I'm just going to pop a clamp onto each end so it doesn't fall out. So it'll just piss me off a little bit, that will. So there we go. So I put the third one on there now. So that's done for the inside part of that corner and that corner now. So they'll be able to dry tomorrow, Friday, and then the weekend we can get started on. So morning all, how's it going again? So we're going to start doing the frame today. So I've just taken all the clamps off of the boards that I did last night, and Saturday now, so I've got a bit of time. So I've just got all the bits and pieces together, and we'll get started. I'll show that to you now. Another one coming. There you go.
Just once done on this.
So what I'll do is I'll get started on this corner over here, and I'll record that one of what I'm doing exactly, and then we'll see how it goes, and then maybe I'll just carry on with the other three corners. And got here is this piece here. There's the offcut off the end of there. So I'm just using that to mark up where it sits over here. A bit more camera a bit better. Hopefully you can see all right there. Just check on my phone. Make sure you can see what I'm seeing. Yep, that's fine. So what I want to do here is I just want to get that on the corner, and then just mark where that comes to and that comes to, so that I can then pop these pieces on here, and then I can put the corner piece in and get that done. Alright. So that basically is going to be up there like that. So I probably need to put a screw in there and a screw in there. So maybe we'll get a couple of holes drilled into that. Out. So you want to put those little corners onto it, so it will come in like that. That should be right. So that's there. Okay, let's maybe get some glue on there and do some. Let's put some glue down there. Oh, this glue's thing's blocked up on that. We've got some coming up. Okay, that's blocked. Just a little bit of cut on it again. Too deep, otherwise it's coming out the other side. Didn't come right out the other side at least. Just tighten the glue up a little bit for now. Alright, I'm going to put these on. Getting a bit of glue first. Pencil. Go with this, eh? It might be a bit long. Maybe I'll go something a bit shorter. I think that's going to do it. Yeah, I think so. Good, I think. pretty rigid. So I've got it all in, got a bit of glue down there inside the screws. And just feeling it, that feels pretty good actually. I'm happy with that. Here as well. Bit of excess glue, but I'll go around it with some more glue again. Yeah, that's cool, that is. Happy. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3. And then once I've done the other 3, then we'll start putting the top railing on. So I'll carry on with that and I'm back with you when I've done those. Cheers. Right, so that's all the corners on. I'll give you a look what they look like down the bottom. It's the same over there. And then those there. So now I'm going to start putting the railings on for the frame. That's went pretty well. They feel quite sturdy actually. I'm quite surprised, but yeah, that's good. So thanks for watching this video, and this is the end of the 3rd one. This was going to be one video. Number 3 and 4 were going to be one video, but it just got a bit too long. So I'll just to watch that in the future. Thanks very much. Like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.